Ywaruok ne obedo e seno bila mag Kapsabet e kaunti ma Nandi kama jodak mathoth kod jasiasa achiel ne omonjo stesen mar obilano ka gidwaro duoko kuom apisas mag obila mawachore ni oketho nyamburko ewi koso luwo chik mag ndara. Collins Chepkulei manochako kar obila ma Cheboror ei kaunti ma Uasin Gishu higa mokalo nodonjo e kar sendo obila ma Kapsabet ka entie kod jogo mawachore ni gin johera mage. Ka oloso e sendo obila ma Kapsabet, Chepkulei okwedo tim mar obila ketho nyamburko mare ka ento luwo chike duto mag apaya ka okwayo apisas mag arita kwe mondo kik yie ti kodgi e yore mag siasa.
On traffic offenses, we usually believe that gari haifai kuwa deflated. So tunaona kama ilikuwa vandalized inside ndani ya police station na imebeba mzigo kubwa sana ya PS system. Ndio maana tuko hapa leo kuuliza ni kweli ni kwa sheria vandalize gari ndani ya police station. Hiyo ndio kwa nini tuko hapa leo. That's why we are here today. Na tumeambiwa that they have admitted. Wamesema ni ukweli, ni makosa. Swali tu ni wamekubali, lakini sasa hiyo damages zimefanyika. Are they going to be responsible?
I was told by the officers who brought it that the vehicle did not was found on a public road without insurance, which is a necessity for any vehicle to be on the road, for the sake of the owner and the public. And if you can see where it was parked within our eyes reach every time, where in front of the report office, which is manned 24 hours. So anybody complaining or saying why was the vehicle was deflated, that is self-explanatory. Kama hakuna complain, itaweza chunguzwa. Tuko na IPOA na tuko na DIG ama IG.